Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368G Enduro. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. Zontes 2026 ZT368G Central Tunnel. Let's look at the parts disassembly, then the reassembly, so if you ever need access, then you know the procedure. As the fuses are hidden on one side of the tunnel, you will see from the video the build quality and the thought and processes that has been achieved in the design. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So please enjoy this video. There are over 2,000 videos relating to all the Zontes models on my channel page, so please take a look. Until next time.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
I'm coming for the throne.